BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Drill and Drill Bit Set, 100 piece, VDC 120 VA100. Lithium-ion battery holds a charge up to 18 months. 24-position clutch prevents stripping and overdriving screws. 100-piece assortment of accessories ideal for all your needs. Ideal for drilling through or screw driving wood, metal, and plastic. RPM 0 to 750 RPM. Chuck size 3/8 in. Clutch setting 24. Included components: LD 120 VMAX lithium drill driver 1, LB 2020 VMAX lithium-ion battery 1, LCS 20 charger 5, brad point drill bits 5, masonry bits 8, screws fasteners 10, HSS drill bits 1, magnetic bit tip holder 32, 1 bits 14, 2 bits 7, 3.5 bits 10, Nutdrivers 1, ratcheting screwdriver 1, gauge 5, sockets 1, socket adapter, storage, power source, cordless.